Hello there, welcome to the video guys, boys and girls and everything in between. I hope you enjoyed this video. So before we get started here, I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper, a pen, even a pencil might work, as long as you can write down notes here, and then just follow through everything accordingly, okay? So the video is about the Discord's new AI, a mobile AI to be specific. It's a new update actually. I'm a bit late. I think it got released on April 20 this year. So let's get check on it, okay? So the first thing you want to do is of course open your Discord app. Where can we find the Discord app here? If you can't find it on your phone, just search it on the library right there, Discord app right here. So as you can see here, it's saying welcome to the new layout already. Let me just remove that one because I already tried using it. So how to get the new AI hack to access it? It's actually a bit of an Easter egg. It's actually really fun. So it's really just for gamers who really love Discord. Anyway, to access it, go to any channel you have and then just type in this emoji right here. How can we type that? Go to your emoji section right there. If you cannot find it properly on your emoji center, just type in sparkle. Again, let me just repeat that one. If you cannot find it here, everything here is not working for you, you cannot find the sparkle emoji, just type in sparkle right here. Let me just do it right again. And you can see this emoji right there. Send it. Once you send it, you have it this one. So if you hold this one, you're gonna see this notification. It's gonna say add to favorites. Again, do not click add to favorites. Okay? So what you wanna do is, as you can see the sparkle icon still, right? Hold it. You heard me right? Just hold it about 3 to 5 seconds and then you're gonna get that pop-up notification that you're already access to the new AI. This notification right here. Just keep on holding that icon and then this should be your new layout access. Okay? So let's get back to the Discord app. Where is it? There you go. So what are the changes on the Discord app? So first thing that I noticed, of course, is this one. See? There's a lot of changes on the friends list, of course. First thing is, I am a very organized person, so everything on my channel here is organized. Earlier, there is like folders for its channels, but right now it is actually separated. They're like expanded, or they were exploded on their folders. So I'm not actually a fan of this. It's actually not good for me. So imagine if you have hundreds of servers full of those Discord streamers out there. Imagine if you have 50, 100, or even 200 servers. Imagine scrolling all the way to the right just to get to those servers. However, there's a shortcut though. Swipe it right up, but you need to be aware of that name of the server. For example, right here, I'm gonna click on my I think last server, AOT Playground. Let's just say AOT Playground is not available in the top list. It's around the 50s or the 100 list. And I just want to click on or find the AOT server. Click on the search tab, AOT server right there. It's here. However, the problem here is, imagine you have 100, as I mentioned earlier, 100 or 200 servers, and you want to find the 190 or the 57th server. If you don't know the name, you need to manually swipe it right. You got it? Okay. So that's the one thing that actually changed, and I'm not really a fan of it. Next thing is, of course, if you go to your messages, then, or even your channels, go to the general tab right here. You can easily reply to any message by just swiping right. You heard me right. You don't have to click reply here. You don't have to click the message itself in the reply. You can just, by doing it swiping right, swiping left of the message and replying it. Because if you swipe right, you're gonna go back to your list. To reply to the message fastly or efficiently, swipe left. That's it. That's a very good addition to this UI. Personally, I love it. It's just like using WhatsApp or Messenger. However, this is the deal breaker for me. This list right here, I'm not really a fan of it. And I'm gonna show you a few comments later on Reddit, a few critics that isn't really a fan of this new AI. Anyway, let's explore it a little bit more. To check a little bit more on this, let's just check on the voice channels. So let me just see if there are changes. So there isn't any changes, and let me just leave here right away to avoid any problems. I think I'm still here. Let me just go away. There you go. So on the voice channels, there isn't much changes, okay? Now let's find more changes right here. Again, guys, if you're not really a fan of doing this, there's always a way to revert to your old UI. But first, we need to check what's here. As you can see, notification hasn't changed. To check notification, there isn't much here. Messages has been also changed, but the most change here is this list of your channels. Even your friends are changed right here. So for example, let's say that I'm gonna look for a channel that has members online, and I cannot see even a single one. However, let's just reference this channel right here. For example, you want to see who's online, click on this one right here, and you're gonna see who's online on the members, and no one is on the channel as of now. But that means that it's a very good feature. This is another points for the new UI. Again, this is good. Even the reply button earlier is good, but the thing is, this list right here, it keeps bringing it down. Personally, this is really the deal breaker. Now let's search a few comments right here that says Discord app is good. Look, I even search Discord Reddit app good. However, there isn't even one or just a single comment or a post that says it's good. Everything is not okay for them. Let's just read a few comments here. For example, right here it says, after the latest update, the mobile version of Discord, everything has gotten worse. I can no longer perform actions without being confused or without a very heavy lag. Seeking simplicity, he achieved the opposite. The old UI was much more intuitive, user-friendly, and lighter. You got it right there, Mr. Tonadov. Shout out to you. So he's pretty much right. Personally, this feels like it's a chunk of load that it's really a workload. It's not feeling gamer friendly, because we want to be like every gamers out there doesn't want an extra load to be worried about. So if you want to go back to your old UI, there's a pretty much solution right here. Go to your settings and then just go to appearance. Again, let me just go to settings again. So this is the landing page for settings, and then just look for appearance, and then as you can see here, new layout. Under here is show new layout. Just give that toggled off and you're back to your old UI. Easy as that. Again, if you don't have this yet on your end, even if you tried the sparkle earlier, for example, you tried this and then this sparkle and then it's not working, just go to the App Store, make sure your Discord is up to date. Let me just check his mine is up to date, and as you can see here, mine is up to date. It says open. Okay, there's an update pending. I'm very sorry about that because it says open earlier. Anyway, the version I have right now is okay for the new UI, but I'm gonna update it later. However, on your end, make sure it's updated to the point where that UI is working, okay? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button please, and thank you for watching.